That's a constant question we get asked, how long does this process take? And the answer is it's mostly dependent on the customer. It depends on the things that they're picking. In general, expensive things take much longer to get than less expensive things. What cabinet brand they pick will vary from the least expensive brands for 2 or 3 weeks up to the most expensive brand that we sell, which is 16 weeks. You don't rip out your existing kitchen. Well, what if you pick an expensive brand, right? Then you're waiting 16 weeks for cabinets. You're gonna be living without a kitchen for that period of time. The process can be very rapid if you're decisive, and then, we can maybe sell you a kitchen a month from the time that you actually first met us, and then the contractor can start around that time possibly, and then the cabinets can come in a couple of weeks, or it could be a really long time depending on how decisive you are and depending on how expensive the appliances, the cabinets, and the other things that you pick cost. In our industry we have a saying, the people that finish first are not the people that start first, they're the people that plan the best before they started.